So this is an example of a policy that's been created for a virtual machine, and it's a policy within deep security versus an NSX policy. And this is the policy that's defining what security controls are in place for the workload that it's protecting. So anti-malware is turned on, web reputation's turned on, the intrusion prevention capabilities are turned on. But you can see that there's actually no rule set applied. It's just a blank template. So we've got, at this point, nothing actually applied to the host. So we're just basically saying these are the capabilities we want it to have, but we're not actually going to say there's any individual rules or protection capabilities in place. And so what we'll want to do is actually we just can provide this blank container to protect a computer. And this can all be done dynamically as well through the NSX manager, where we assign a policy based on the NSX security group, so we follow suit with what NSX does. So we're going to say this machine's in the app tier. And just by assigning it into the app tier, what that does is we can then leverage, and activating it, we can leverage that API capability that was provided to us through NSX to query into we're doing, at this point, doing an inventory of all the stuff that's running on the host, what network services are listening, all of that stuff. And that's going to provide us with the context we need to decide for each of those modules which one gets split. So now that it's been assigned and activated, you can come in here and you can quickly see that there is a full rule set. So this recommendation scanning functionality is what we call it, but really it's leveraging that visibility into the workload, is able to determine that there's 515 intrusion prevention rules that actually apply to this workload based on the applications that it's actually running there.